Have you ever wondered why some people eat eggs for breakfast and lose weight fast, but other people eat eggs every day and nothing changes? Most people have no idea. And what you're about to learn is going to surprise you because eggs are not the problem. In fact, eggs might be one of the most powerful weight loss foods on the planet. The real problem is this: most people are eating eggs the wrong way. And today I'm going to show you, step by step, what the best egg breakfast for weight loss actually looks like, what it does inside your body, and why one small mistake at breakfast can quietly block fat burning for hours. So stay with me because the last part of this video is the one simple rule that makes weight loss feel effortless. Let's begin. The biggest breakfast myth. Clears throat. Before we build the perfect egg breakfast, we have to destroy the biggest myth in weight loss. And it's this: if you eat healthy foods, you automatically lose weight. That sounds true, but it's not because your body doesn't lose fat based on healthy. Your body loses fat based on signals. And the strongest fat loss signal of all is insulin. Insulin explained in the simplest way. Let me back this extremely simple. Insulin is a storage hormone. When insulin is high, your body is in storage mode. When insulin stays low, your body switches into burn mode. That means fat burning is not about suffering. It's about your body being in the correct mode. And here's the key: eggs keep insulin low. That's why eggs can be incredible for weight loss. But if you eat eggs with the wrong foods, you shut that entire system down. And if that already surprises you, just wait. Because now we're going to break down what eggs do inside your body. Why eggs kill hunger better than diet foods. Most people fail weight loss for one reason. One, they are hungry all day. Hunger destroys discipline. Hunger makes people binge at night. And this is where eggs are different. Eggs are one of the highest satiety foods you can eat. Meaning, they don't just fill your stomach, they quiet your appetite signals. Here's why. Clears throat, eggs contain complete protein. Not partial protein. Complete. That means your body can actually use it efficiently. And when your body senses enough protein, it calms down. You stop craving. You stop snacking. You stop thinking about food every hour. That's why people who switch from cereal to eggs often feel full for 4 to 6 hours, not 1 hour. And the real shocker is what happens next. The fat loss advantage most people miss. Most people think fat loss means eating less. But what you actually need is this: 1. Stable energy. 2. Stable blood sugar. 3. Stable hunger. Eggs help all three because eggs have protein and fat. And that combination digests slower. So instead of getting a blood sugar spike, then a crash, then cravings, you get slow, steady fuel. That means fewer energy crashes and fewer cravings later. This is exactly why eggs are one of the most common breakfast foods in successful weight loss plans. But now we need to talk about the mistake that ruins everything. The number one egg breakfast mistake, the trap. Now, listen carefully because this is where most people destroy fat loss before 10 a.m. They eat eggs, but they also eat one of these: toast, jam, juice, sweet coffee, pancakes, cereal on the side. And it doesn't seem like a big deal, but inside your body it is. Because that sugar or refined carb does one thing: it spikes blood sugar. Then insulin spikes, and when insulin spikes, fat burning shuts off. So you may be eating eggs, but your body is still storing fat. Sighs and gasps, this is why so many people feel stuck. And if you've ever said, "Eggs don't work for me," now you finally understand why. But now we fix it because the best egg breakfast for weight loss is surprisingly simple. The perfect egg breakfast formula. Here's the perfect fat loss egg breakfast. It has only 3 parts. 1. Protein anchor. Clears throat. For most adults, 2 to 3 eggs is a perfect starting point. They keep hunger down. They keep cravings down. They keep your body satisfied. 2. Fiber, your blood sugar break. Fiber slows digestion and smooths out blood sugar. The best fiber with eggs is vegetables. Spinach, mushrooms, onions, tomatoes, peppers. This keeps insulin calm. 3. No sugar, the fat-burning protection. No juice, no jam, no sweetened drinks. Because sugar first thing in the morning is like starting the day with a metabolic crash. And if you get this right, your whole day becomes easier. But there's still one major thing people get wrong: the healthy fat mistake. The fat mistake that slows weight loss. A lot of people hear fat is good, so they add tons of fat to breakfast. Extra cheese, butter mountains, heavy cream coffee, extra oils. But here's the truth. Fat is not bad, but fat is still energy. And too much slows fat loss. The goal is not to drown eggs in fat. The goal is to add just enough to stay full. A small amount of olive oil is fine. A few slices of avocado is fine. But you don't need to turn breakfast into a calorie bomb. Now, let's talk about portion size because this is where the "I eat healthy but gain weight" people get trapped. Portion size without counting calories. You don't need to count calories every day, but you do need awareness. Here's the simplest rule. If you eat breakfast and you are hungry again in 60 to 90 minutes, your breakfast was wrong. If you eat eggs properly, you should feel satisfied for hours. Not sleepy, not bloated, satisfied. And for most people, 2 eggs equals light breakfast. 3 eggs equals ideal fat loss breakfast. 4 eggs are for active people. But there's one group that needs to be careful. People with reflux or gallbladder issues. Who should be careful with eggs? Eggs are healthy for most people, but if you have acid reflux, gallbladder problems, nausea after fatty meat, you may need to adjust your egg breakfast. Sometimes the issue isn't the eggs, it's how they're cooked. Deep fried eggs, heavy oil, very fatty breakfasts can trigger burning or discomfort. So if eggs cause symptoms, eat them lighter. Less oil, more vegetables, smaller portion. Your body should feel good after breakfast, not worse. Now we're getting to the part that changes everything because breakfast does more than affect your morning. It affects your entire fat loss pattern. Why breakfast controls cravings all day. If breakfast spikes insulin, the rest of the day is harder because blood sugar crashes lead to cravings. Cravings lead to snacking. Snacking leads to overeating. And overeating leads to fat storage. But if breakfast stays stable, lunch becomes easier, cravings get quieter, night eating reduces, and weight loss becomes smoother. This is why breakfast isn't just food. It's a signal. It's a message to your metabolism. And eggs eaten correctly send the best message. Now, I'm going to give you the one rule that ties this entire video together, and it's the reason people finally start losing weight. The one rule, the conclusion. Here's the rule, and it's S. Oh, simple, most people ignore it. Eggs don't make you gain weight. The sugar and refined carbs eaten with eggs do. Eggs with toast and jam, that's the trap. Eggs with vegetables, that's fat loss support. Eggs with juice, that's fat storage. Eggs with fiber, that's stability. And once you get that right, breakfast stops being the reason you're stuck and becomes the reason you finally lose weight. If this video surprised you, tell me in the comments, what do you usually eat with eggs? And your next video is extremely important because eggs are powerful, but the food you pair them with can either speed up fat loss or silently stop it. So don't miss the next one. What happens when you eat 4 eggs?